Price: 4,300 to 4,800 Saudi Riyals, depending on storage. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite. RAM: up to 16 GB RAM. Storage: 512 GB or 1 TB storage. Display: 6.73-inch AMOLED, WQHD+, 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, 3200 nits peak brightness. Rear cameras: quad Leica setup, 50MP main, 50MP ultra-wide, 50MP telephoto, 200MP periscope telephoto. Front camera: 32MP. Battery: 5410 mAh, 90-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging. Other features: IP68 water dust resistant, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0. Xiaomi 15 Ultra in Saudi Arabia comes with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, stunning 6.73 AMOLED display, Leica quad camera system, up to 200 megapixels, and a massive 5,410 mAh battery with super-fast 90-watt charging. In Saudi Arabia, its price starts around SAR 4,300 to 4,600 for the 16GB plus 512GB model. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Prices and specifications.